Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Xiaomi Poco F8 Ultra and the Xiaomi 17 Pro. Today, we're diving deep into what sets these two powerhouses apart. From their massive displays and cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipsets to their jaw-dropping camera systems and innovative features like wireless charging and dual displays. Which phone delivers the best screen experience? How do their cameras stack up in real-world use? And can the Poco F8 Ultra's beastly 6500 mAh battery outlast the sleek 17 Pro? Stick around because by the end, we'll answer the burning question: is the Poco F8 Ultra's raw power worth sacrificing the 17 Pro's unique secondary display and Leica optics? Let's find out. Starting with the display, the Poco F8 Ultra commands attention with its massive 6.9-inch AMOLED screen, boasting 2000 nits brightness in high brightness mode and Dolby Vision HDR10+. This huge panel offers a stunning 91.8% screen-to-body ratio and advanced features like Poco Shield Glass and Wet Touch 2.0 for enhanced durability and touch responsiveness. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi 17 Pro sports a slightly smaller 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED display with an equally impressive 3500 nits peak brightness and a unique secondary 2.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display on the back, perfect for notifications or selfies. While the Poco F8 Ultra focuses on sheer size and brightness, the 17 Pro innovates with its dual display setup, offering versatility beyond just the main screen. But if screen immersion and brightness are your priorities, the Poco F8 Ultra takes the crown here. Under the hood, both phones pack the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset built on a 3nm process, delivering blazing fast performance and efficiency. The Poco F8 Ultra's CPU clocks up to 4.6 GHz with custom Orion V3 Phoenix cores, while the Xiaomi 17 Pro matches this with a near-identical octa-core setup. Both devices use the Adreno 840 GPU, ensuring top-tier graphics performance for gaming and multimedia. The takeaway? Performance is neck and neck, so your choice depends more on other features than raw power. When it comes to standout features, the Poco F8 Ultra shines with Xiaomi HyperOS 3, featuring an AI agent, Bose-tuned 2.1 stereo speakers, and 50 watts wireless charging, offering a premium audio and charging experience. On the flip side, the Xiaomi 17 Pro boasts ultra-wideband UWB support for precise device tracking, AI real-time translation, and a unique magic back screen that enhances usability with its rear display. Both phones bring innovative extras, but the Poco F8 Ultra leans into audio and charging, while the 17 Pro pushes boundaries with connectivity and AI-powered tools. In photography, both models feature a powerful 50-pixel main wide-angle camera with OIS and dual-pixel PDAF. But the Poco F8 Ultra's sensor is slightly larger at 11.31 inches, allowing better light capture. The Xiaomi 17 Pro counters with a TOF 3D sensor on its ultra-wide lens for enhanced depth sensing. Video capabilities are comparable, with both supporting 8K at 30 FPS and advanced stabilization. The Poco F8 Ultra edges ahead in sensor size, which translates to better low-light performance and detail. Looking closer at camera features, the Poco F8 Ultra impresses with its periscope telephoto lens, offering 5x optical zoom and an incredible 20x ultra zoom, plus advanced light fusion technology for night shots. The Xiaomi 17 Pro counters with Leica Summilux optics, laser autofocus, and a 16.5 EV dynamic range that delivers stunning color accuracy and portrait modes. If zoom and night photography are your priorities, Poco F8 Ultra stands out. But if you crave Leica's renowned color science, the 17 Pro is your pick. Finally, battery life tips the scales in favor of the Poco F8 Ultra with a massive 6500 mAh battery, promising extended usage and endurance, compared to the Xiaomi 17 Pro's still respectable 6300 mAh SiC Li-on cell. This extra capacity means the Poco F8 Ultra is better suited for power users who demand all-day performance without compromise.